What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing round number 6, group break number 70. Let's go live. This shit's about to get nutty. Are you pumped? Because I'm pumped. Let's get pumped. 536. 536. I know I did that backwards. My head's all over the place right now. I'm kind of giddy. So, I need to get a fresh one. There's the last one. I always forget to do that beforehand. 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Patty, you got the top 2. Mr. Allen on the bottom. Copy and paste that. And now for the teams. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Zona on top, Toronto on the bottom. All right, Patrick, you got Arizona and St. Louis. Joe Dub, you got the Wings. Borlo, the Devils. Joe, the Islanders. Patrick, you got the Ducks. Kinger, you got the Sharks. Clancy, the Blue Jackets. Bordelot, the Hurricanes. Bordelot, the Edmonton Oilers. How are ya? Clancy, the Sabres. Kinger, the Predators. Joe Dub, you got the Penguins. Clancy, the Lightning. Kinger, Montreal. Very nice. Rob, the Avalanche. Joe, you got the Bruins. Alan, Ottawa. Patrick, LA. Clancy, you got the Capitals and the Flames. Rob, the Jets. Joe Dub, the Stars. Patrick, the Blackhawks. Clancy, Florida. Patrick, you're going Messier hunting. Alan, the Wild. Joe, the Flyers. Rob, Vancouver. And Alan, the Toronto Maple Leafs.